He's not even supposed to be on the trip. Like, what are you doing here?
Right.
But they try to sneak and get their picture, and then you see them on the internet like, yeah, man, me and Shannon Sharp, we working, boy. And you like, man, you ain't really working, so I hate to be one of those guys. Okay. So that kind of motivates me to just be like, okay, just grind until it's time for you to be invited to that type of stuff.
What did you get with your first big check? What was the first, when you got some money, you like, oh, I'm out.
What y'all think I spent my big first check on? They probably know for real. I haven't really splurged. I retired my mom.
Okay.
I just recently retired my mom.
You ain't got no car, you ain't getting no...
I got the same car I had before I was famous.
What type of car was that?
Yeah, Jeep Cherokee. Yeah, Jeep Cherokee. 2013 Jeep Cherokee.
That's it.
I'm in the process of pimping it out right now. I ain't gonna buy nothing new. I'm pimping it.
Oh, you pimp your ride?
Yeah, I'm pimping my ride.
I don't know. 2013.
I got the same car. I promise you.
You got that
car my house in Atlanta. I promise you I got the same car, man. We upgraded the house and stuff.
Right.
My team lives with me and stuff, so it's a good scenario. But yeah, I haven't. A lot of people ask me why I haven't got a new car either.
You haven't, you don't want anything. You don't want. Obviously, you could get a car, but
yeah, I just travel. I travel so much. Right. Jewelry.
That's the thing, jewelry.
No, jewelry's not even my thing. I got a couple gifts from some jewelers that have given me. They just want you to wear your stuff.
Right. Say you got it
from them. So I think I'm cool with that.
That's all it be.
My mind is just so.
That's all it be. Just say that you bought this from me, even though you
I
didn't.
Believe that a lot of these dudes I see like they're wearing all this stuff, and I'm like, dang, like they probably spend so much.
Right.
And then I got famous, and like Dior will send a package to the house and be like, please wear this at your next big event, or.
They do that?
Jewelry, yeah, they'll do like different. No, I'm just saying Dior. I'm just saying Dior. No.
I'm just saying, I guess I ain't famous because ain't nobody see that.
But big companies will do that and just want you to wear whatever they send in, or like a jeweler will just gift stuff and then just be like, hey, so you got it from that. Right. It's just hey, that's it. But so when I learned that side of the game, it's like, man, it's a whole.
I ain't spending my money. I'm
right.
Where y'all free stuff?
Yeah.
DM. Using DM, you was at 5,000 in the Shack. So, are you trying to shoot a skit with Spice and Shaq?
Yeah, I think. Oh no, Gorilla tried to get with Shaq.
Yeah.
I mean, Shaq tried to get with Gorilla. Yeah. That's who it was. Ice Spice. I was trying to get with Ice Spice. That was me.
Bro.
I still ain't got a chance.
Well, you tried.
I mean, you can get an info. You can get an info. You just gotta let it ride. You gotta let it come to you. So right now I'm in that process. Shawty, if you watching it.
Oh, she gonna be watching. Oh.
He want to do the tongue thing so bad.
No, I said you gotta let it come to you, man, because at the end of the day,
look who Jack Harlow pulled. Jack Harlow pulled one.
Oh yeah, Jack got it, bro. I ain't got.
You a bride? You keep talking about you a bride. She a bride too. Why y'all can't be two brides?
Yeah, she's something. I'm like. She got something on.
I mean, you just bull jiving, or would you like?
No. On the serious note, I really would. I like Shawty. Like I ain't. That's why I told her. I'm like, it ain't even about the music and all that. Like, to me, you gonna get me. You know what I'm saying? So I tried, but she ain't really.
She ain't feeling you right now.
Not yet. When she see this, she probably gonna be like, oh, okay, I see you.
Yeah, if you will be watching.
He like to talk about me publicly and stuff. Yeah, right. So she probably.
You seen that video of him when he was a kid? Man, Drewski been the same since he been a child. He was like, what's up? Like, he been the same way since he was a kid. He really rapping? Oh no, that's Toby.
Who was Toby?
The man with the green. The black man.
Yeah, rap.
Yeah. He got a lot of slack here recently. Cause he basically said his wife that he with now, he hated her. He did not like her at all. But he pretty much picked her because I guess the girl he really wanted didn't want him. Long story short, that's what he said. Him right there. He don't change his little. Why you skip?
You always tell me about all the good things.
Huh?
You always tell me.
Oh, you could have been skip. I'm like, why is we really watching this? He don't rebrand it too.
Yeah.
Say hello to your next great escape, where eye-catching pieces are here, there, and everywhere. It's different every time you go, and no matter what you land on, the savings are huge. So go big, go bold. HomeSense, standout pieces, outstanding prices.